Hi there. In this short video, I'll show you how to track your recent orders on MWComponents.com. Start by going to MWComponents.com and clicking Sign In. Here, you'll log in with your email and password. Once logged in, you'll be able to view your account and choose orders. This shows you your full order history. You'll see a list of recent orders, order numbers, dates, statuses, and you'll click on the order that you want to track. Inside the order details, you'll be able to scroll to the shipment section. Here, you'll find the tracking number, and it'll link directly to the carrier's page where you can see real-time shipping updates. And that's it. You can check the status of your order anytime in just a few clicks and be able to see tracking information. If you need help or have questions, feel free to reach out to our team. Thank you.